How to see messages on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see messages on TikTok. So to do that, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Now once you've done that, on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options, namely home, browse, add, inbox and profile. So since we are here to see messages on TikTok, we'll simply tap on the fourth option, which is inbox. After that, you will be taken to the inbox page where under messages you can see the list of people who have messaged you on TikTok. So now as you can see, this person right over here has sent me 3 messages. So if you want to see the message, simply tap on it and then you will be able to see the message the person has sent you. So they have currently sent me these messages and some TikToks, and they have also reacted to my TikTok. So that is basically how you see messages on your TikTok. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.